How to check an Apple Watch for activation lock.
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a crucial topic related to Apple Watches, the activation lock. Specifically, we'll walk you through how to determine whether an Apple Watch has an activation lock or not.
What is activation lock?
The activation lock is a feature designed by Apple to prevent anyone else from using your Apple devices if they're ever lost or stolen. This security feature is automatically turned on when Find My iPhone or Find My device is set up. If an Apple Watch has an activation lock, you will need the original Apple ID and password to unlock it.
How to check for activation lock.
To determine if an Apple Watch is activation locked, follow the steps below. Step 1. Press the side button on the Apple Watch to bring up the power off slider. Step 2. Drag the power off slider. If the Apple Watch requests an Apple ID and password, this means that activation lock is on. Alternatively, you can check using your paired iPhone. Step 1. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap My Watch, tab and then your watch at the top. Step 3. Tap I next to the watch you want to check. Step 4. Look for the Find My Apple Watch option. If you see Find My Apple Watch, then activation lock is on. Please note, you might not be able to check this way if you're not the original owner or don't have access to the paired iPhone.
What if activation lock is enabled?
If activation lock is enabled and you're not the original owner, you will need to contact the previous owner and ask them to enter their Apple ID and password to unlock it. If you can't contact them, unfortunately, there's no other way to remove the activation lock. And that's how you check for an activation lock on an Apple Watch. This is a valuable step to take before buying a used Apple Watch. Remember, always make sure activation lock is disabled before purchasing a second-hand device. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Stay tuned for more tech insights.